This is What's Up, AB. Here with Frank and Dorian, the owners of Sassy Bird, right here on Lancaster Boulevard. Can we go make some fried chicken?
Yeah, let's go to the kitchen.
Thank you.
Like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this.
Hey everyone, I'm here at Sassy Bird. I'm going to try the loaded French fries right now. Now, I got regular flavor, which is basically not spicy. They also have mild, which I would call medium. Then they have hot, which is hot. And then they have spicy AF, which is spicy as woo. Got some of that chicken with the secret sauce along with the French fries.
Try the sandwich.
Ah, perfect.
Mild.
Mild, okay, thank you.
It's regular, I heard the hot was too hot for you, right?
I had the hot last time. I got it down, but I was kind of dead. My wife got the Sassy, and she was just melting.
It's 8 times hotter than the hot.
Sassy is 8 times hotter than the hot.
This one is mild, so it's a light cake.
I like this.
I'm gonna try the chicken sandwich and fries. They call it the chicken sando. And I gotta tell you, this thing is huge. I mean, they do not skimp on the portions. I'll tell you how spicy this is. Because I have had the hot before, and it was a little hot for me. This is the mild, I'll let you know. Mild's real good. Has a little bit of a kick to it. I would say not much, but enough to be able to like taste a little bit of spice, but not enough to actually kill you.